Hello, this is Gregory Joseph. Hey, it's MAINE'S Foodie Feast coming once again for the Pie YouTube. So guys, this is a sugar-free, caffeine-free Nature's Twist Strawberry Lemonade, guys. This is nutrition facts, serving size 1 bottle, calories 5, total fat 0, sodium 80, carbs 1, dietary fat, total sugar 0, includes 0 added sugars and 0 protein, 90 potassium, guys. Got this at Olivia's Cafe. That's actually pretty good. Less than 1% juice. Wow. So, what am I going to give this? I'm going to give this a 7 out of 10. It is really good. It does have still a sweet flavor to it, being sugar-free. So, guess it's the aspartame. Or the sugarlose as well. So, anyway, guys, so check it out. It's called the sugar-free, caffeine-free Nature's Twist Strawberry Lemonade. Anyway, guys, subscribe to our channel, MAINE'S Foodie Feast, for more additional content. Remember, subscribe, like, hit the notification button, and remember, Jesus loves you, we do too. Peace out. God bless.